By the quiet riverbank lay a small village, where every morning the soft rustle of the flowing water woke the people. In that village lived an experienced boatman named Sammy. He knew the river's path as well as the lines on his own palm. Each day, he ferried villagers across in the old wooden boat he had tended for years. But deep inside, Sammy carried a wound time had never been able to heal. Many years ago, a sudden, fierce wave had taken his younger brother from him. Ever since that tragedy, Sammy had lived with the weight of guilt. It was as if his laughter had drowned in the river that day. He moved through life quiet, distant, and inwardly broken. One misty morning, when the fog still clung to the water like faded shadows, a little girl named Amina climbed into his boat. She looked at him with innocent curiosity and asked, "Uncle Sammy, why are you always so sad?" Sammy replied softly, his voice heavy, "Child, I am carrying the burden of my yesterday." Amina stared at him for a moment, then said, "But uncle, if you keep carrying yesterday, how will you ever see today?" Her simple words echoed through Sammy's heart like a gentle hand clearing dust from a forgotten corner. That evening, as he watched the river flow endlessly forward, he realized something. The river never turns back. It only moves ahead. He saw that he had been loading his little boat with stones from his past, weighing down his own journey. For the first time in years, he felt a faint lightness within. He decided he would always cherish his brother's memory, but he would no longer carry it as a burden. He would honor him not by living in sorrow, but by living fully. The next morning, as Sammy sat in his boat, a true, warm smile appeared on his face for the first time in years. He had finally let go of yesterday's weight and was ready to welcome today, like a new gift waiting to be opened.